Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We're building a community of men who are leveling up, taking control of their lives, and refusing to settle for less than they deserve. And today, we're going deep, really deep, into one of the most powerful counterintuitive truths out there, how she can't resist coming back to you. I'm talking about the kind of return where she doesn't just text you once and disappear. I'm talking about her chasing, her regretting, her realizing she let go of something irreplaceable. But listen up. This isn't the fluffy advice your buddies give you. This isn't the desperate send her flowers or beg for another chance nonsense you see everywhere online. What addressing your pain? Why desperate actions repel her. I'm about to lay out goes completely against what society, your emotions, and even most relationship experts tell you. It's raw. It's real. And if you actually apply it, it works like nothing else. Stick with me through this entire video because I'm going to break it down step by step, layer by layer, with more detail than you've probably ever heard. We're going long today. Extra lengthy, extra in-depth, because this stuff deserves it. If you're serious about transforming your life and getting her back, or becoming the man who doesn't even need her to come back, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Right now, you're probably in pain. Deep, gut-wrenching pain. Every morning, you wake up thinking about her. Every night, you fall asleep replaying what went wrong. You're checking her social media. Even if you've blocked her, you find ways. You're analyzing the real reason she left, losing your high-value edge texts, old photos, old memories. You're crafting that perfect apology message in your head, imagining how she'll melt when she reads it. You're planning the big romantic gesture, the surprise visit, the heartfelt letter, the song playlist that reminds her of your best days. Stop right now. Just stop. Every single one of those actions is poison. Every thought you invest in her right now is pushing her further away. Even if you haven't contacted her in months, she can still feel your energy from miles away. Women are incredibly intuitive about this stuff. That needy, desperate, I can't live without you vibe you're radiating. It's repulsive to her on a primal level. It doesn't make her feel cherished. It makes her feel trapped, like she dodged a bullet by leaving. It confirms every doubt she had, every reason she walked away. So why did she really leave? Not the surface-level excuse she gave you. I need space. We're growing apart. It's not you, it's me. The real reason, the brutal, honest truth, is that you stopped being the high-value man she originally fell for. Early on, you had your own life. You had ambitions, friends, hobbies, a sense of flipping the script, become emotionally unreachable direction. You were unpredictable in the best way, fun, challenging, independent. She chased you because you weren't chasing her. But over time, something shifted. You made her your entire universe. You dropped your goals to fit hers. You canceled plans with friends to be available 24/7. You stopped being mysterious and became predictable, safe, boring, comfortable, and comfort kills attraction faster than anything. Love without purpose becomes suffocation. Constant attention without adding real value turns into desperation. You went from being a prize she had to earn to a guarantee she could take for granted. And once that happens, respect dies, desire dies, attraction dies. That's the cold, hard reality. But here's the good news. The game-changing truth nobody wants to admit. She will come back. Not maybe, not if you're lucky. She will come back if you flip the script completely. And the way to do that, become unreachable. Not just no contact, though that's crucial, but emotionally unreachable. Build a life so rich, so fulfilling, so purpose-driven that she becomes a small footnote in your epic story, not the main character. I'm not build genuine abundance. The paradox of indifference talking fake it till you make it. I'm not talking about posting thirst traps or fake happiness reels to make her jealous. That's weak, transparent, and temporary. Boys do that. Real men build genuine abundance. The paradox here is massive. The moment you genuinely stop needing her to come back is the exact moment she starts craving you again. When you're truly indifferent, not pretending, not forcing it, but authentically indifferent because your life is fire. She feels the void. She questions everything. She wonders why you're thriving without her. Curiosity turns to doubt. Doubt turns to regret. Regret turns to action. Women are drawn to men who don't need them, not men who pretend not to care. That's obvious and cringy. Men who literally don't need them because they've got their own empire going. A man who wants her but doesn't need her is confident, magnetic, irresistible. A man who needs her but acts indifferent is fake and weak. Big difference. So your mission, your only mission right now, isn't get her back. It's become the best version of yourself for you, because you deserve freedom from emotional chains. You deserve happiness that doesn't depend on one person's validation. You deserve to wake mission, become your best self for you, up excited about your day, not checking if she viewed your story. When you do this right, the shift happens naturally. She notices through mutual friends, he's killing it at work, gym, life. She peeks at your socials, even if blocked. People find ways. She sees a man who's leveled up, physically stronger, mentally sharper, socially thriving, purpose-driven. The needy guy she left gone, replaced by someone unfamiliar, someone intriguing, someone she suddenly doesn't have access to. That triggers curiosity first, then doubt. Did I mess up? Then memories flood back. The laughs, the passion, the way you used to make her feel alive. She starts romanticizing the good and downplaying the bad, and eventually she reaches out. This is the danger zone. Most guys crumble here. She texts something low effort. Hey, how have you been? Or saw something that reminded danger zone. Handling her reach out wisely me of you. Or straight up, I miss you. Your heart explodes. Adrenaline hits. Every instinct screams. Reply immediately. Pour your soul out. Lock it in. Don't take a breath. Take 10 breaths. Take hours. Take a full day if needed. Your response determines everything. What not to do? Don't gush. Don't say, I've missed you so much. Don't ask to meet. Don't dive into the past. Don't treat this like your miracle moment. That proves zero change, that you're still the same attached guy. Instead, respond like a man with abundance, friendly, brief, unbothered. Hey, doing great. Staying busy with something cool in your life. Hope you're good. No questions back. No chase. End it there. Go live your life. Don't stare at your phone. Don't overanalyze. Let her stew in your indifference. Why? Because she expected the old you. Jumping, eager, validating her ego. When you're calm and detached, it flips the power dynamic. Now she's uncertain. Why isn't he excited? Has he moved on? Is there someone else? Did I wait too long? Vet her return. Tough questions and standards. Those thoughts torment her. They build tension. They make her pursue harder. She might reach out again. Maybe asks to hang out. Maybe opens up emotionally. Every time. Stay in abundance mode. Appreciate you reaching out. Got a packed schedule right now, but let's catch up sometime when things slow down. No. Yes. No. No. Just open-ended, non-nay. This is the dance of high-value attraction. Not games, authenticity from strength. But here's the advanced part most miss. Even if she comes crawling back, begging for round 2, you must vet her. Ask yourself the tough questions. Why did she leave? Your issues or hers? Have you truly changed or just performing? Has she grown or is she just lonely, bored, options dried up? Did she respect you before, support your growth, or did you always chase her approval? Does she add real value to your upgraded life, or will she drag you? Practical transformation. Physical, purpose, social, mental, back to old patterns. A high-value man doesn't take anyone back just because they want in. He has standards, boundaries, self-respect. She must enhance your already amazing life, not complete it, not fix you, not be the center. If she doesn't meet that bar, walk away. That's true power, being willing to say no to the one you wanted most. Now let's get practical. what to actually do during this transformation phase and make it lengthy because you need details. Physical transformation. Hit the gym daily, no excuses, lift heavy, run, play sports, sweat it out, build muscle, drop fat, get sharp. Why? Physical discipline builds mental strength. You'll carry yourself taller, speak with more confidence. When she sees you or pics of you, she'll see a man who didn't crumble. He thrived. Purpose and mission. Find something bigger than romance. Career climb, start a side hustle, learn a skill, instrument, language, coding, volunteer, create art, wake up with fire for something that excites you more than her return. Purpose kills obsession. Social circle. Reconnect with friends you neglected. Go out, travel, make new attraction dynamics, reclaim independence. Memories. Talk to other women. Not to replace her, but to remember abundance. Flirt, date casually, feel desired again. Options remind you she's not the only one. Mental inner work. Face your insecurities. Therapy if needed. Read books on attachment, masculinity, self-worth. Heal the clingy parts so you don't repeat cycles. True growth means no relapse if she returns. Attraction isn't logical, it's emotional. Women feel pulled to men whose presence is a bonus, not a necessity. That's what drew her in initially, your independence. You lost it by clinging. Reclaim it genuinely, and she'll feel that old spark reignite your action plan. Stop chasing. Action plan. Stop chasing. Start building. Stop waiting. Start building relentlessly. Body, mind, purpose, social life becomes so complete that her return is just icing, not the cake. And when she does come back, because she will, if you embody this, you'll decide from strength. You'll set terms. You'll protect your growth. That's irresistible. If this resonated, smash that like button. Drop a comment with "I'm building so I know you're in" and outro. Turn pain into power. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're in this together. Turning pain into power. Your new chapter starts now. Stay strong, Kings. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.